Is this yours? Is it mine? Check out this video to learn about possessive pronouns. Hi everyone, I'm Steve and this is Single Step English. If you enjoy this channel and you like my videos, you now can help support me. All you need to do is click on the button here on the front page and you can buy me a cup of coffee. Thanks so much for your support and I really appreciate it. All right, the topic for this lesson is possessive pronouns. And this topic was suggested by one of my longtime viewers, Sayani. Sayani, thank you so much for suggesting this topic and for asking so many wonderful questions. In this lesson, we will cover 6 possessive determiners and 6 possessive pronouns. Here is a list of the 6 that we will study in this lesson. To show that you own something, you can say, "This is my pen." And notice the location of the pronoun. My comes before the noun. My pen. However, if we change this sentence into a possessive pronoun, it would become, "This pen is mine." And notice that now the pronoun is at the end of the sentence. Is mine. Yep, this pen is mine. You may be thinking, why do I need to use possessive pronouns? And the reason we use them is to show ownership. It's a little stronger way to say that you own or have something. Also, a possessive pronoun can take the place of a noun. Here is an example. Is this your book? Once more, is this your book? So here, this is a possessive determiner. Is this your book? However, if we change it to a possessive pronoun, it would become, is this yours? And notice, yours, the pronoun, is now at the end of the question. Is this your book? Noun at the end. Versus possessive pronoun, is this yours? Yes, it's mine. And notice that yours has replaced the noun book, right? Is this your book? Is this yours? It just replaces the noun. All right, let's move on to her and hers. Using the possessive determiner, we can say, this is her cup. This is her cup. If we change it to a possessive pronoun, it becomes, come on, you can say it, this is hers. So her becomes hers. This is her cup, determiner. Possessive pronoun, this is hers. And hers replaces her cup. I hope it's okay. I used her cup. Here is another reason to use possessive pronouns. We use them to avoid repeating words. Let me show you. For instance, her coat is gray and my coat is blue. Well, in this sentence, we use the word coat, the subject, 2 times. And if you want to speak or write really fluent English, you wouldn't write 2 subjects in the same sentence. So in this instance, in this case, you can replace coat with a pronoun. For example, her coat is gray and mine is blue. So the mine replaces the second use of the word coat. For our next one, for the determiner and possessive of his, there is no change. So it's easy for you. You could say, oh, is this his keyboard? And for the possessive, is this keyboard his? So his doesn't change. It's his keyboard. Next, We have our and ours. For a possessive determiner, you could say, this is our home. And then for possessive pronoun, you could say, this home is ours. And notice again that the possessive pronoun is the last word in the sentence. And that's really the rule you need to remember for these, that the possessive pronoun is always the last word. Please remember that. Moving on to our last one. We have their and theirs. The possessive determiner is that is their car. Once more, that is their car. While the possessive pronoun, that is theirs. It's not mine, it's theirs. That is theirs. Is this channel mine? Yes, it is. But I like to think that this channel is ours. Remember that we use possessive pronouns to make a sentence sound stronger, and that we want to show ownership. When they are used, they are always located at the end of the sentence or question. One more rule for possessive pronouns. They are never spelled with apostrophes. So you would never use its. It would always be its when you're using possessive pronouns. If you have any questions about these, please feel free to ask. Write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.